Welcome to my channel. How to reset Nighthawk router. Locate the reset button on the router, usually found on the back or bottom. It is a small pinhole labeled reset. Use this tool to press the reset button as it is too small to be pressed by fingers. Insert the paperclip into the pinhole and press the button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the power LED blinks. Once the lights change or blink, release the button, which resets the router to factory settings. Use the default network name, SSID, and password found on the router's label to reconnect your device. Go to http://routerlogin.net in a browser or use the Nighthawk app to access the router settings. Use the default username, admin, and password to log in after the reset. Run the setup wizard or manually configure your Wi-Fi network and security settings from scratch. After the reset, check for any firmware updates to ensure the router is up to date and functioning optimally. Thank you for watching.